Wow, Gaurav Bhaiya, your room is full of so many maps. We are going to start a chapter on globes and maps in my class. Can you give me a heads up?
Haha, I like that you are always so curious, Aisha. Well, I am a cartographer, so this is right up my alley. Let's start with the basics. What do you know about the shape of the earth?
Well, I know it's round like a ball. Or is it?
You are on the right track. The earth is round. But it's not a perfect sphere. It's more like a geoid, which means it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator.
How did we come to know that the earth was round?
Good question. A Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, went around the earth to discover its shape.
This globe is huge. I've seen small ones in school, but nothing like this. Can you explain how this globe works?
A globe is a model of the earth. It helps us understand the earth's surface, continents, and oceans in a three-dimensional way. It is great to study Earth's geography.
Oh yes, our teacher once used a globe to demonstrate the occurrence of day and night.
Yes, but a globe has certain limitations. It is great for showing the whole world, but it's not very practical for showing small details or for carrying around. It's also difficult to use when you want to focus on specific areas. That's where maps come in handy.
How are maps different from globes? Are they better?
Maps are flat representations of the earth or parts of it. Cartographers like me use special techniques to project the round earth onto a flat surface. Although some distortions happen, maps are incredibly useful for showing specific regions, details, and even the entire world on a flat piece of paper. Maps are not exactly better, just different. Each has its own advantages. Globes are good for visualizing the whole earth without distortions, while maps are more practical for navigation, studying small areas, and understanding specific details.
Do professionals like you create these maps?
Yes, I am a cartographer. The art and science of making maps is called cartography. Do you know what a book of maps is called?
Yes, it is called an atlas.
Very good. Did you know that there are different types of maps? Physical maps show natural features like mountains and rivers. Political maps show countries, states, and cities. Then there are thematic maps, which focus on specific themes like population, climate, or economic resources.
Wow, that's a lot. How do you even read a map?
Great question. Maps have their own language, and once you learn it, reading them becomes easy. This language includes elements like scale, direction, colors, and symbols.
Can you tell more about these?
Of course. First, let's talk about directions. The top of the map always points to the north, while the bottom points to the south. The right hand side shows the east and the left hand side shows the west. Additionally, we have subdirections like northeast between north and east, southeast between south and east, northwest between north and west, and southwest between south and west. These help us locate places more precisely.
What's a scale?
The scale tells you about the relationship between the distance on the map and the actual distance on the ground. For example, a scale might say that 1 centimeter on the map equals to 100 kilometers in real life.
Oh, that makes it easy to show large places on a small piece of paper.
Correct. Different colors are also used in the map.
Why do we use colors?
Colors are used to represent different features. For example, blue usually represents water bodies.
Green represents lowlands or plains, and brown might indicate mountains or highlands.
And what about the symbols?
Symbols are like shortcuts. Instead of writing out river or church, maps use small icons or signs to represent them. There's usually a legend or key on the map that explains what each symbol means.
Thanks, Gaurav Bhaiya. This is so much clearer now. I can't wait to tell my teacher all about what I learned today.
I'm glad I could help, Aisha. Remember, maps and globes are tools that make the world easier to understand. And who knows, maybe one day you'll make your own maps too.